Hey everyone, Bobby here from bippermedia.com. I want to tell you about our amazing website design services. So you may know us for the SEO work that we do. We help our clients get ranked and found and grow their business in Google search. However, our website design team plays a very intricate role in the way we help clients grow their business. As you can imagine, if you are found at the top of Google search, all that traffic's going to be coming to your website. But what if your website doesn't look amazing? Or what if all the traffic on mobile is hitting your site and there's not an easy way for people to simply call you and call your business? That's where our website design services come in. You can go to bippermedia.com, go to our websites, and you can see all the amazing sites that we build for clients. You can see the way that we don't just build amazing sites that look spectacular on desktop and on mobile, but they're super fast, they're super efficient, and they are highly optimized for Google search. And most importantly, they are highly optimized for conversions. So again, imagine from an SEO standpoint, I search in Google for a car accident lawyer near me, I click through, I'm on the site. You, as a car accident lawyer or as any business, you want that person to be able to quickly and easily call your business. The sites that we built or the sites that we build are 100% designed for new customer conversion. So they're fast, they're amazing, they're highly optimized. Every single page is what we call site structured. So every single page is highly optimized from the metadata to the H1, H2, title tags, the content. Everything about your website is going to be optimized for new customer conversion. So check us out, and you can see we have, it's not all the sites we build, but we put a lot of our sites we build on that page. You can see examples of that. And if you have any questions, just schedule a call with us. And the pricing for our websites, we try to keep it pretty simple. So websites we can build up to, our standard package is up to a 10-page website. It's $5,000 total for the 10-page website. Half, so $2,500 is paid up front, and then the other half, the other $2,500 is paid when your new website goes live. And it takes on average anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks for us to launch a new website for a client. That can be a much shorter period of time. It really depends on the feedback as we build like a version 1.0. We send it to you, you look at it, you give us our feedback. That moves it to a version 2.0. So depending on how efficient that process is, it can be much faster, but on average 6 to 8 weeks. It's a $5,000 investment. Again, half up front, half when the site goes live. And we have an entire web dev team. I believe the most amazing website designers on the planet are right here at Bipper Media. They do an amazing job. We build a lot of websites. And again, the number one goal is for your business to look amazing when that new traffic and the new potential customers are hitting your site. And then ultimately to get that traffic to call you and hire you and become a new customer for your business. So reach out to us, let us know. If you have any questions, we'd love to talk to you about how we can help your business with an amazing new website.